一個停車場收費員個工資係$121小時，佢既然可以有累積到投資組合價值係50萬美元，佢點樣做到嘅呢？大家可以先睇睇個視頻，睇完個視頻呢，我再同大家分析一下。
Earl, what's your net worth?
$500,000.
$500,000?
Yeah,
From working here?
working here.
That's amazing.
My last statement.
And there it is in his statements, over $500,000 net worth on a parking lot wage. Now Mr. Earl had my full attention. How did he do it?
Stop working so hard and let the money work for you.
嗱，呢個視頻咧，其實係2025年，即係舊年時已經出咗㗎啦。咁佢嗰陣時嘅視頻就話佢係69歲，佢只係做呢一份工喺停車場收費做咗44年，一直都係大約係12蚊1小時嘅啫。嗱，佢講咧，佢個原因咧，其實咧就只係4個。第一，佢喺40年前咧，佢就開始定投，佢係$25一個月定投啲基金。第二，佢定投咧就全部都係有錢分嘅，咁佢咧就會復投佢分到嗰啲錢嘅，佢就從來唔攞翻出嚟嘅，一路復投嘅。咁第三咧，佢就話佢從來冇信用卡嘅，唔預先使錢，全部佢個月揾幾多就用幾多就算㗎啦。定投之後，跟住咧最後一樣嘢咧，佢就係話一定要不斷學習。嗱，呢一個人喺舊年時係69歲，佢40年前開始定投，40年後佢個策略可以變咗累積到投資組合價值50萬。咁你話大家應唔應該學下呢？